Today we will be making our very own light up wind turbines. So the first step is we're going to take a cup, the small paper cup, and cut it into quarters. And you want to do those cuts vertically, so going up and down the sides of the cup. When you're done with that, with doing all 4 pieces, make sure you cut the bottom of the cup off. So now we will take the X-shaped popsicle sticks with the hole in the middle and put a glue dot on each one of the sides. Then we're going to take the cup pieces and put them all going the same directions on the popsicle sticks. And then we want to make sure the motor fits. We stick the motor in, and then we take our LED light, and you're going to bend the legs. And in the motor, there's these little metal circles on top, and we're going to fit each leg into one of those. Make sure our turbine still spins. And now we're going to take the popsicle sticks and we're going to tape them together. These are just the freestanding popsicle sticks. You can overlap them a little bit so that it stays nice and strong and doesn't bend over, but you want to make it an extra long popsicle stick. When that's done, we're going to take the glue dots and put it on either side of the motor, and you want to make sure that those circles that the LED lights are facing up. And then we're going to take the extra long popsicle sticks and stick them to the side of the motor, and then put them around our red plastic cup. When you attach our turbine to the cup, you want to make sure that you can still spin your windmill. So you want to do a couple of test practices, and if it gets stuck, all you have to do is bend it a little to make sure it works. And our final step will be trying to get the turbine to go to turn on the red light. You may have a little difficulty at first to get it to go. I would recommend trying switching the blades of the turbine to a different direction, change the way the wind blows, try opposite sides, and even switching the legs of the LED to the other side of the hole. All these ways you can try and experiment and try and make the light turn on using wind power.